Okay, Nidia, this is the second catalog. MPS Itaqui, like with a green detail on the right, not golden. This is easier. It's like a regular one. Hold on. So this is the cover, MPX Itaqui. Then page number 1. Page number, oops, sorry. This is page number 2. So this is the cover. Page number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And it's over. É mais fácil, see? Okay. Thank you, bye bye.